Welcome to Fun & Son B2B website. Let's explore how simple it is to use your dashboard. Head over to the top right, click My Account, then select My Profile. From the left side menu, choose Dashboard. Here, you can view your booking status in real time. Scroll down to check the cancellation information. Go to My Profile to view and edit your profile details. Scroll down to create a new sub-agent or a new sub-user. Scroll back up to change your profile logo for a personalized experience. Next, go to the Bookings section. Search for specific bookings by date, reference number, booking status, passenger name or agency reference number. Then click Search to view results. Now head to Reports. Here you can review all vouchered bookings. Search by agent, type, dates, or paid from. Then click Search to view reports. Go to the Quotation section to search for specific quotations. Enter the quotation number and dates, then click Submit to view all records. Finally, scroll down to Settings. Here you can update your account password for extra security. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can easily manage your bookings, profile, and reports, all in one place. Fast, easy, and designed to give you full control.